Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Hello Alamal, I'm Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So it is so long question actually. This is we want to visit the project Gutenberg. This is like about the sites that you bad library. I don't know. Yes, it's like a library, but the library itself contains book. So it's so many books in the Gutenberg that you are here, and then you can download and see site and download, and we can make something with the word. Okay, and find a view text you'd like to analyze. Download the text files for these works, or copy the raw text from your browser into a text file on your computer. You can use the count method to find out how many times a word or phrase appear in strings. So, example, I want to search how many in maybe words in Gutenberg.exe. I wanna copy one of the file, and then how many there are in my text. It is like this. Example, I want to count the number of time row here, but you know that row must be in lower. So here in Python, row and row is different actually. But if you make sure that every string here and the count in lower, you can counting here every row here. So the question, that's why it's 3, because we lower here 1, 2, 3. So because we convert the string to the lower case using slower, and catch all appearance of the words you are looking for, regardless of how it's formatted. But here's this is the questions. So that is about prerequisites. So write a program that reads the file you found at Project Gutenberg and determines how many times the words "the" appear in its text. This will be approximation because it will also count words such as "then," because we but and there. So I would like to try counting the and then the space to make sure that just only the with space in the string, and see how much lower your count is. So you understand about the whole question. I just want the visit here and then maybe get one files about maybe poetry or the books itself, and then I want to copy, and then I want to copy to here, and then I want to make .txt, and then I want to read. After that, after I read, and then we counting how many in the lower case we got in that text. Okay, let's try it. The first one is Gutenberg.org. You just add to Gutenberg.org. Here you can know, there are so many free ebooks here, and then you can download maybe there are so many language here, and then with quick search collection. Maybe I want a book search. Hope I don't. Okay. There's so many options here. I'm so confused. But click here for more latest books. Let's try here. Yes, there are so many, more than 50, but I wanna focus in English because in English we use the. In Dutch we didn't use the, but we use het and te. So I wanna use in English here, and then I want to focus in maybe just sample here. L maybe. Okay. Why is Dutch? Wait a minute, I'm forget something. Let's try here. I just want to English, not in Dutch. And then where's the others? Last 20 or last 30 day maybe. Okay, this is English. Okay, I just wanna make poetry. You just add poetry here. There are no poetry, but it's okay. I wanna maybe Latin. No, I don't. German, Spanish, English. Oh, here. It's also I wanna. This is interesting. Maybe let's open. Then see as a German. Oh, this is in English. Irish. Okay, there are some English here. I wanna hear maybe because this is the English. Okay, I want to open here, read online. Okay, here. So many things, and then you get the here. How many there if you just control find here and the. Yes, there are 653 there in this file. So I just want to copy all of this here, Control C, and then you just open to Gutenberg.txt. You make a file in your local and then copy all of the words here to your local. Let's try. You just add Gutenberg.txt, right? There are Gutenberg.txt, and then you just copy all of the words here to your local here. You get so many words here, so many words. And then yes, it's okay. And the first one, this same that you just add from pathlib, import path, and then you just think that the path is your Gutenberg.txt here, and then path.read text here. Read text to just read, right? I wanna using like a try here. Try. I wanna make like content as a path with text, then accept accept file not found error. If then you just get the pin message that because this is the path, right? This is okay, and then else here. So here maybe you just make up some variable. I mean, I would like to do words, and then you just content, because your content here actually, and then it's okay. I think it is because I want to learn the slower here. and then count from the is okay, and then the words. It is right. Let's try it. I don't want to split. I just want to counting the. I don't want the split text. So that's why I don't add the splits. But let's try it is working or not. 10 to 10 here. 489. Is it true? If you find here, so oh yes, that's right. There are 489. So right, so that's the point of this code is just you got here, you get to make a variable, and then from the contents here you get the lower and the content. It is same like here, line that lower content, the Python equation, right? How to write in a Python. So here, so okay, it is working if our file maybe like scooterbox.txt is missing. You get the error, the file is missing. But if there are gutenberg.txt and then we just, as a Python, we will read the text, all of the text in the book, not in a slice. Because I don't use the slice, because I just want to counting how many times the in this gutenberg.txt, and then to make sure you have the in here and the in the lower, in the capital and lower, you must counting. So that's why every content here to the red text you get the lower, and then you just counting here how many times, how many the words in the gutenberg.txt. So I think that's all for this creation. It is just to know how many the words. So yeah, let's add to your GitHub. What is this? I don't know. There are no common words. I don't know what's here. And then okay, that's all for these questions, and let's try another questions. Bye.